In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to grid view in Canva. Whether you're a newbie discovering Canva for the first time or a seasoned designer, using the grid view can greatly enhance your ability to manage and organize your design workspaces. It allows you to see an overview of all your pages and navigate through them much more efficiently. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening Canva and selecting the design you wish to work on. Once your design project is open, you'll see your workspace with all the tools and features that Canva offers situated conveniently on the left-hand side of your screen. Now focus your attention on the bottom of your screen. This is the crucial area where you'll find the tool that will facilitate our switch to grid view. Keep an eye out for the small icon that resembles a grid or a series of small squares, which should be quite recognizable. You'll find it located at the very bottom toolbar of your workspace. By clicking this icon, you'll transform the layout of your entire design screen. What this action does is toggle your view from focusing on a single page to displaying multiple pages within your project in what we call grid view. Imagine you're holding a deck of cards and laying them out on a table to see all of them at once. In this view, you can see many pages side by side, just like spreading out cards, giving you a broad overview of your entire design project. This feature is exceptionally useful when you're working with multi-page documents like presentations, photo books, or any type of project where you need to see how each page relates to the others. Once in grid view, navigating through your designs becomes a breeze. This is particularly beneficial for projects that are image or content heavy because it helps you maintain consistency by being able to view multiple design pages simultaneously. With grid view, whenever you need to edit a specific page, simply click on that page to zoom into it for more detailed editing. When you're ready to return to the standard single-page view, just click the same grid icon again, and you'll be smoothly transitioned back. If you ever need to rearrange the order of your pages, grid view is an excellent tool for that too. You can click and drag to reorder pages to suit your design, narrative, or storyline effectively. This kind of flexibility ensures that you can maintain a natural flow across your project with ease. So there you have it. Navigating and organizing your Canva project using the grid view is a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your design workflow. This feature helps you maintain consistency and offers a broad view of your entire project, making your design process not only more efficient, but also more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this knowledge serves you well in your future Canva projects.